Alright, so today I'm going to do a quick little modification on the Jeep. I ordered a cowl panel from DistinctionApplied that is a paint match to the Stingray that we have on the Jeep. Since ours is a sport model, the cowl piece is the black plastic and it is just about faded to white. So what I'm going to do today is just pop the black plastic one off and install the painted to match unit. Shouldn't take but just a few minutes. This is going to be a huge improvement. I mean, some of these places that have faded are almost completely white. So there you go. Painted cowl panel replacement. Took about 15 minutes. Almost a perfect match. Really looks good.